This is a state where the numbers can quietly betray you. In New Mexico, drivers see the minimum insurance requirements, grab a low-cost policy, and assume they've done what they need to do. But those minimums hide a serious exposure.
Because on paper, it looks fine. You're insured, you're legal, and nothing feels risky until something actually happens.
Exactly. New Mexico requires 25, 50, 10 liability limits. That $10,000 property damage limit is the problem. One accident involving a newer vehicle can exceed that number almost instantly.
And since New Mexico is an at-fault state, the driver who causes the accident is responsible for the damage.
Right. Once that property damage limit is hit, the remaining balance doesn't disappear. It becomes your personal responsibility, out of pocket.
So even a relatively minor accident can turn into a financial hit.
Very quickly. And that's only half the risk. New Mexico also has one of the higher uninsured driver rates in the country.
Meaning you're exposed even if you do everything right.
Exactly. If an uninsured or underinsured driver hits you, uninsured motorist coverage is what steps in to protect you. Without it, you're paying for someone else's mistake.
That creates a kind of double exposure. If you cause an accident, or if someone without insurance causes one.
That's the trap. Minimum coverage keeps you compliant with the law, but it doesn't protect your finances from real-world risk.
And most people don't realize how affordable better coverage can be.
Especially when they compare carriers instead of taking the first quote they see. Small upgrades in coverage can dramatically reduce long-term risk.
Don't wait until after an accident to find out your limits weren't enough. Click our quote button to compare New Mexico car insurance options and see what real protection actually costs.
Close the gap between legal coverage and real-world risk. That's the cheapinsurance.com difference.